Today, July the 2nd, 2019, and we are celebrating our great warrior, Mama Kimpavita. So the party is still there. We're still celebrating. So we just finished with people. Now we are relaxing. The kids are relaxing. The kids were happy. They were happy to learn our stories. So now it's time for us to relax. So now we are relaxing. So everything was fine. The party was fine. And we're still celebrating our great ancestors, Mama Kimpavita. It's a great blessing. Who is Mama Kimpavita?
Our ancestor, our mother. She helps us have children and helps all the living things grow.
Yeah. And we celebrate our ancestors, right? We don't celebrate any other people's ancestors. We celebrate our own, like other people that celebrate their own. So we are here. We ate and everything was fine. So now we are just here, relaxing with the kids. We are just here relaxing with the kids. Everything was fine. So the kids like it. Everything was fine. We thank you guys for your support. And we will continue fighting for our ancestors. And we know that they're gonna be with us. They're gonna give us strength, and we know that at the end we're gonna have victories. It's relaxing time. Kids are relaxing now, and we are still celebrating our mothers, our fathers, all the great ancestors, all the people that fight for our freedom. We're still celebrating them. Thank you everybody for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.